Station 4, Plebians and Patricians. Patricians were right to worry. The lack of a military would make Rome an easy target for a nearby enemy. The plebeians followed through on their threat and fled Rome, in mass, to the Sacred Mount, a hill outside the city. Fearing for the safety and security of their city, the patricians were willing to negotiate. They sent Agrippa Lanitus, a formal consul who was well liked by the plebeians, in an attempt to convince the plebeians to return. He spoke about the crucial role the plebeian class played in Roman affairs. He compared Rome to a body, the plebeians to its arms and legs, and the patricians to the belly. In order for the city to survive, Lanitus argued all parts needed to support each other. The plebeians agreed with Lanitus, but to return to Rome, the plebeian leaders demanded one thing: more political power. The patricians were ready to compromise. Now you're going to go to activity box. You're going to go to slide 4, and you have to again create a title for the reading. Then you have to write a short conversation between plebeian leaders and Agrippa Lanitus that shows their encounter on the Sacred Mount.